Title 9, Crimes Against Personal Liberty and Security. Article 267, kidnapping and serious illegal detention. 268, Article 268, slight illegal detention. Article 269, unlawful arrest. Article 270, kidnapping and failure to return a minor. Article 271, inducing a minor to abandon his home. Article 272, slavery. Article 273, exploitation of child labor. Dayon. 274, services rendered under compulsion in payment of debt. Dayon. Article 275, abandonment of person in danger and abandonment on one's own victim. 276, abandoning a minor. 277, abandonment of minor by persons entrusted with his custody, in deference of penalties, in deference of parents. Article 278, exploitation of minors. Article 279, additional penalties for other offenses. 280, qualified trespass to dwelling. 181, other forms of trespass. 282, grave threats. 283, light threats. 284, bond for good behavior. 285, other light threats. Then 286, grave coercion. Then 287, light coercion. 287, 286, 288, other similar coercion. Compulsory purchase of merchandise and payment of waste by means of token. 289, 288, 87, 289, permission, maintenance, and prohibition of combination of capital or labor through violence or threat. Kanang 87, 88, 89, 290, 290, discovering secrets through seizures of correspondence. 291, revealing secrets with abuse of office. 290, revelation. 292, revelation of industrial secrets.